Welcome back, guys. Last time we did a b-roll kind of unboxing video. It had a lot to do with the camera itself, a lot of camera motion. So this time I wanted to show you that you can still do a lot of cool stuff with your camera staying still. You just gotta use a little bit more editing tricks. So today we're unboxing the Google Home Mini. If you want to check out my b-roll unboxing, you can click the little tag up here. Let me know what you think of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you want to check me out on the other socials, description is right there. Hey Google.
Yes?
Make your entrance. Whoa, are you okay?
Can I get some help? There you go. Welcome to Google Home.